My name is Ramon Montero. I'm located in Hollywood, Broward, near Miami. The license I have is a Florida State Contractor license, Class B, and I have some other, indeed are no license, are certifications, like the Universal EPA certification, R410A certification, and some other certification related to ESCO Institute and the mainstream engineering corporation. My area of expertise is residential and commercial AC units. I do reparation, service, change out, doing installation of new units, doing all the electric connection, mechanical installation. That is my area of expertise. If you call me to tutoring you, I can guide you in different aspects. I got my contractor license. I did the 2 exams that are really difficult indeed, and I can guide you to get the books, understand, giving you some tricks that are very useful in the moment of the exam. And also, if you are trying to be a technician or you want to be a mechanic in the area of the trade of air conditioning, I can tutor you related to the technical part of the trade. How to do a budget, how to do an installation, how to troubleshoot a unit, how to diagnosis. Also for the EPA, I'm a proctor, ESCO Institute proctor, so also that is very important for the technician who works in this field to be certified in the 608 Universal certification that allow you to handle refrigerant, and you can open an account in different supplier to buy refrigerant that is really controlled and to buy other components like AC units. Thank you to watch this video. My name is Ramon. I'm waiting for you to get in contact through Upstryve. I know I can assist you and tutor you and maybe you move forward, because I have done during 10 years teaching HVAC matter and in different local college, technical college, and I got a student from the level 1 now working in very good companies, and I'm very proud of that.